Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to free up space from D drive and add it to your C drive. To get started, open the start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type create and format hard disk partition, then click on it from the search results. To increase the space on your C drive, we first need to delete the D drive volume. Right click on the D drive and select delete volume. You can also use any other drive if you can. But of important warning, as soon as you do this, a warning message will appear letting you know that all data on the D drive will be permanently deleted. Before proceeding, make sure to back up all your important files to another drive or any storage device. Once your backup is complete, click yes to continue. Once the D drive is deleted, you will see that space marked as unallocated. Now right click on the C drive and select extend volume. Click next. You will see the unallocated space that was freed up from the deleted D drive. Click next again, then click finish to complete the process. And that's it. As you can see, the free space from the D drive has now been successfully added to your C drive. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with the new video. Until then, take care. Tata.